second treatment of Lipo Plus. My first treatment was really successful. I was really pleased with it. Not only did I manage to bring my baby along and she slept through the whole thing, which was amazing, I also really enjoyed the experience because it was really relaxing and it was quick. The end results that I got were a general firming of the whole area. So I was pretty impressed with that. I wasn't expecting that until probably about the third session. So for a first session, it was really good. There was a slight reduction in pimpling. So I'm hoping that this time round we'll see more of that to go this time. But what was interesting was that Dawn concentrated on the back part of my legs and lower bum cheeks, but almost it sort of firmed the inside of my legs, which does need firming, but she didn't even concentrate on that area, and that area seemed to firm up considerably. So I was really pleased with that, considering that I haven't actually worn a pair of shorts for probably 10 years for fear of just the embarrassment of it all. So I'm looking forward to wearing a pair of shorts on my holiday next year.